Alright guys, before we start this video, know there will be pulls later on. First I'm going to explain to you guys what we're doing to the truck right now. We're getting it dialed so we can drive it. Enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So here is the under hood of the truck, of course. We're at our sales guy Noah's house. If you need any Ford cars, hit him up. Noah Gonzalez at Villa Ford. So here is our Ford Innovations fuel system. So you can tell they used all nice push lock fittings. So apparently there's two regulators, one for the high side and one for the low side. Here's the other one. Don't ask me which one's which because I really don't know. They went ahead and did it for me. But yeah, Noe's going back and forth with Lund right now. He's gonna have him tune the truck on the current setup because the box hasn't come in from VMP yet. What does that box have, you ask? It has a high HD tensioner, bigger idler pulley to prevent belt slip, and it has the new big intake manifold. We may or may not be going with a smaller pulley too, because we have one coming, but I don't know if we're gonna use it. So that's what's going on. Just a quick update video. I probably will be picking the truck up in this video, in the same video, so you guys can check it out.
3 days later.
What's up guys, welcome back to Race Spec. And as you know, we've been building a Super Snake truck, and we're on our 9th revision for the tune. This is going to be the final log. I haven't even ridden in the truck. My buddy that's building is doing it for me, so I'm going to film my we're going to do a draggy run, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to film my own reaction because honestly I'm kind of scared, man. I don't know what to expect from the truck. So we'll see if it scares me or not, dude. But I'm kind of glad I'm not driving, but you know how it feels scarier if you're a passenger. But yeah, setup is a built 10 R80, old pump gears, VMP ODIN, 79mm pulley, and yeah, Lund tune on E85. And yeah, this is all before we get the new VMP intake, but short video. Let's see how it goes. Did you? Yeah. Which one?
This little 2J truck. I was telling the guy that's trying to buy it.
Yeah.
But he won't budge, you know?
Yeah, that's the guy from 7 Days Mufflers.
Is it?
Yeah.
Where is he at? He's all the way over there, right?
Yeah, he's probably off the car already.
He's off the car. You think we'll make it all the way over there?
I don't know. Go for it. Fuck it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
30, 60. Quarter mile.
Same, but they'll be a little different.
But you can still use them, right? You can interchange them.
Yeah, I think you can.
So the main thing is to go to get a balancer and get like a 10-15% and just go with a 69.
Yeah, that'd be the easiest route. And you can still keep a 6-wheel, just put a 15% or 10% of the bottom. And you just read the world like a 72 pulley. Like we had a 72 and a 5% on that black car that they took apart for no reason.
Mm-hmm.
And that should be about 16, 17 pounds loose.
That was a 15%.
That's the one that was that yellow jacket with the Odin.
Yeah. Well, it had 5% and 72, and that would have been around 16, 17 pounds loose.
16, 17 pounds of boost.
Was that with the 2069 or the mono blade?
Was that with a mono blade or was it the twin?
No, that was with the 2069.
Twin 69.
We have a mono blade.
Yeah, but the mono blade and the 69s is not gonna be a huge difference.
No, it's about the same.
All right, so because we ordered a 72, so that's still not even gonna get. That's 15 pounds of boost. That's nothing. That's barely tickling the fucking car.
15, 14, 15, yeah, somewhere in there.
And then it's got long tubes, so.
Mhm. It's a truck.
Yeah, the F150 truck.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And there's people go fast in those trucks. I see one made 872 wheels, what, 9 like 9.1, 9.2.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do with this one, but we just need it. We need to be at like 18 pounds of boost. You know what I mean?
Yeah, 17, 18 pound boost.
It's got a fucking. It's got dual Hellcat pumps, Fore Fuel System. You know what I mean? It's got long tubes. So you know what I mean. I didn't know it was gonna be. I don't know. Like I'm telling you, it feels like it's like on 10 pounds of boost. It doesn't feel like it's eating enough boost. You know?
Right. Yeah,
Half the boost rate.
Small enough pulley. I mean, that it needs to. I mean, that's probably still enough to make you go, low 10, high 9. But I would go down to 72.
That's what we got coming.
That's what I ordered, a 72. But fuck, if I would have known, I would order the fucking 69. Because I ordered the 72 and all the HD tensioners and bullshit that VMP sells to make sure it didn't slip. But
Right.
I should have just ordered a 69.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking
Yeah.
69, it probably wouldn't even see 15 pounds of boost. Or maybe.
The 72 will probably get you 14, 15, and 69 get you 16, maybe 17 on a good cold night.
I'm gonna put the fucking I'm gonna put a boost gauge on it to see where the fuck it's at, cause it needs more boost.
Okay. All right, well, let me know.
Alright, cool. Well, thanks for the info though. I knew you were gonna know.
No problem, buddy.
Alright, talk to you later.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
He woke
Told you.
He woke up right away.
Yeah.
He was asleep when you called him. He woke
You
him up.
recording that?
Fuck yeah, dude. Why?
I don't know. Fucking when I was sitting to my dealer and he started 72 is not even gonna be at fucking 15.
So fucking, dude.
Underdrive.
Fucking, he said it's fucking not even 10 pounds of boost. So fucking, let me get this straight. VMP's website says the 88 millimeter is freaking
13. This is
13 pounds. But really, that shit probably makes like 8 pounds.
who fucking knows?
It's a hype.
Cause what? That was a Cali car, right? That he was running it on.
Yeah, this guy runs nothing but VMP shit all day, every day for the past fucking 10, 15 years. So,
Really? Shit. So
yeah.
he knows.
Well, they have a couple cars with the ODIN blower already.
Also, he's been
Yeah.
through it. So it's freaking. So in the
So
79.
he said at 72 and a 5%, they're making about 16 pounds of boost.
5%.
And a 5% lower.
Who the fuck runs a 5% lower? That's like a baby one, no?
Yeah, but sometimes it was probably the only thing he could get his hands on or whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you need to get, because on my car, I had a 63
Yeah.
and a fucking 15% lower when I had the VMP blower on my car,
On the stock motor.
on stock motor. And the motherfucker was bugging. So, but the thing, this one has two tensioners. I don't know if the front timing chain where it sits, I don't know if you have to put the Mustang front timing chain and then reassess.
Timing
the
chain?
tension. Yeah, because it's different. These are different from the Mustangs.
The fuck?
That's why I don't know if they do they even make a 10 rib or an 8 rib for this?
Doesn't Whipple do it?
Because Whipple does, but VMP is different.
I don't think VMP does it.
I gotta ask him.
So if we do a freaking.
Because the lower the pulley you go, the more it's gonna tend to slip.
Yeah.
So on that new pulley that we get, maybe I'll send it to my buddy to get it fucking grip tech, you know, for the ribs.
Yeah.
So see if it holds more boost.
So
But
if we.
so this fucking dude, this thing's never gonna fucking go faster if we can't get some boost in the motherfucker. That's why it doesn't feel like you said. It doesn't feel as strong, you know, because it's just. It feels decent, but it's
the boost where you want to be.
It's like 11
Yeah.
pounds of boost.
we need another 10.
Yeah.
Fuck.
So shit. So like if VMP's freaking video supposedly made 766 wheel on a 79.
Open the little thing in the back so we can see the boost gauge. So we can see if that shit's gonna fit in the back.
The boost gauge.
I'm happy dyno.
On a happy dyno? Yeah, you think that dyno's happy? Yeah, they're like claiming it makes freaking.
And then you're wondering why this shit don't whine. You know what I mean? It's not getting enough boost. I'm just gonna yell.
You're wondering why this shit doesn't.
It whines very little, but it's just not whining hard enough. It's humming.
Yeah,
It's not whining.
that's why, bro. It's running on no pounds of boost. Fucking
It's screaming like it's, you know, like getting pounded on by a guy with a little 2-inch wiener, you know? She ain't screaming loud enough.
That's crazy, dude.
Listen right here. No?
What the hell?
Okay.
Why my shit working? My freaking light that comes with like the Shelby thing?
Then you plug it in from over here or turn it on?
Oh no, yeah, I have the bed lights too. What the fuck? I guess this shit's not working. Oh,
Yeah.
what the hell? Oh, it has to be on along with that.
Okay. You didn't take it out of this?
Oh, I didn't take it out. So I mean, it makes sense why it's not whining. It's freaking
Yeah,
doing
we
like.
need more. We need more boost.
That's funny, man.
Well, you don't have any little LED? I think I have some in the house.
What's up?
Or in my garage. Some LED light bulbs for these things, because the ones they come with fucking suck ass.
Really, I thought the Phantom ones were like really nice. I think I had a Phantom. It like lights up like white.
This thing? Oh, this one doesn't have the little bulb. This one you wire in straight into your nerve, mind.
Yeah, that one's a nice one. Cause I remember I had one for I think it was the yellow truck. Don't tell me that doesn't fit.
That's it.
Imagine, dude. Nothing works.
Another thing, just Ray special.
Yeah, dude.
It's just Ray ordering the wrong stuff.
Even when we try to do things right, everything goes wrong, bro.
Not meant to be Ray.
Shit.